Hey, this is Roach here. Just woke up. I don't know why. I was asleep. It's 9:45 in the afternoon. Or at night. Whatever. I don't know. PM. 9:45 PM. I was watching some video vlogs, motorcycle vlogs on YouTube, and fell asleep watching them. I mean, whoever this guy is, man. I don't know if you can see that. Booker. Kristoff, or how you say it, it's Kriezstoff. I was watching one of his videos. I fell asleep. Apparently it was boring or something. I don't know. Actually, the first part was pretty good. I haven't been feeling good today. I called into work to both my jobs today. I was feeling like shit. Ugh. I need to take a shower. I haven't taken a shower since yesterday. I don't know, my girlfriend said when I was sleeping I answered the phone, apparently. Always like wearing my hat. And since I'm on this, I might as well do a vlog about motherfuckers. My gear. Fuck, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah. Is the camera working? Yeah. Gloves, a lot of people always say, you gotta wear gloves, mess your fingers up, your hands, and break, stupid computer. You break your hands and whatever. These are the Cortec Accelerator gloves. And doing alright, just a little right here in the fingertips. Feels a little funny. I can fit it flapping around a little bit. I don't think it's because the glove's too small for me, or too big for me. I think it's the way they are. And little wrist, what the hell's that? A little notch that sticks out of your wrist. That's a little protector for that. It's a little reinforced carbon fiber. Little rubber deal. Carbon fiber's pretty cool. Holds it pretty well. I punched the wall because I was mad. No damage actually. And I punched my bike too. I was mad. Helmet. Sparks. I'm about to be interrupted in a few seconds. So just give it a sec. Sparks, helmet. Black lightning. Dead end. Fuck you. Here it goes. What are you doing? Told you. And fuck you, haters. I'll make this quick since she's gonna be bitching and asking questions. Some boots, riding boots. These are Cities. Not really too worn. I've had them for say a month or so, maybe. No, yeah, maybe a month. Pretty good boots. I don't know what the fuck I scratched there, but I guess I don't pay attention. I don't care about my gear. As long as it protects me, I'm fine. All scuffed up. Pretty nice boots. Comfortable to walk in, uncomfortable to ride in. Well, this is the cool thing. I've had this for like a week or two now. Everybody always tells me, or everybody's gonna tell me when they see some of the beginning videos. Oh, you know what? Before I show the cool thing, it's Dynamo Cycle, Corpus Christi, Texas. Awesome fucking place, dude. They got a Facebook page. I don't know. It's like, I don't think it's Dynamo Cycle. I don't know. That's where I work. South Texas Surgical Hospital. It's for one of my jobs. Where the hell is it? Oh, okay, here you are. I love to go fishing. We're going fishing tomorrow, matter of fact. It's supposed to be raining, but buggy weather outside. Okay, this is the funny part. This is a Joe Rocket jacket that says Kawasaki, which I don't have a Kawasaki, and I sure as hell don't have a ZX14 of any sort. This is, I thought it said ZX14. ZX, whatever. My cousin's jacket, he gave it to me because when I flipped, you can watch my other video, the crash story. I just farted. Oh, anyway. Yeah, you can watch the other video and explain more, but this is the jacket my cousin gave me because he said, you know, I was new to riding. Didn't want me to get hurt too bad if I go down again, but it's elbow, shoulder, and spine protector. What the fuck happened to that? Anyway, yeah, that's the jacket. I usually wear that. Oh, you know, I took that out because the next item I'm going to show you, I wear over this since our weather's been a little chilly, you know. Yes, I'm a little pussy, I don't like cold weather. But since it's been a little chilly, I'm taking out the spine protector because I wear something over that, which is for our, it's supposed to be for our summertime, which is, bam! Yeah, little icon. Yep, icon. Icon regulator, Death or Glory vest. Leather vest. With spine protector. I think it's pretty cool. Has patches on there. It's, you know, cool brand. Icon. Whatever. Death or Glory. This is a cool part. Icon moto. Little, you know, tailbone protector because I fucked mine up before. I was rollerblading. Just aggressive inline. Cracked my stupid tailbone. Can't do anything about it. Death or Glory. It's a good part. This is sized small, medium. It goes 2 sizes in one. Adjustable straps. There's 3 on each side, 6 total. It's my gear. Oh. And my other pair of riding shoes that I like to wear a lot, or just walk past them. These will protect your feet tremendously. DC's. You know, protect your ankles, your shin, your toes. Yeah, this thing will protect you more than those, you know, $200 cities. These $100 pair of DC's will protect your foot, which I think they got there for like 60. It just said 100 something, whatever. But $60 shoes will protect your feet better than cities. Oh yeah, and I wear these two little house shoes. You know, look like little boots. I wear those when I go riding sometimes. I'm just fucking around. Just fucking around. I'm so tired right now, but that's about it. Oh, this. But it's a Roach. Signing out. See you later.